Hello everybody, this is the Coolman78 here. I'll be showing you how to make crazy effect on AVS the real way. And well, if you see another video, well, it's by someone else called How to Make Crazy Effect on AVS. It was made in the wrong way for the twirl and the wave and stuff. And he did not even use Audacity for the crazy effect thing. But it doesn't matter. But I'll be showing you how to make it. Okay. The first you put in 3 twirls, but the first one is degree 1, negative 360. The next twirl is the same thing. And this is degree 1, and it's angle negative 184. And there's 2 waves right here. The peaks is 2, amplitude 50, speed 0, and offsets of 34. Or you can put it at 35. It doesn't matter. These numbers are the same thing, but this one has a vertical. So yeah, this one does not have vertical. This one does, or maybe you can make that one vertical, or maybe you can make this one vertical and that one and not. Actually, well, never mind. Okay, posterize is levels 2. And then on Audacity, then you must have the AVS demo and put it in an old school and make all these notes on this piano. All of them are used. I'll show you. This is what I mean. Apply. You made the audio, and now you're on AVS. And make sure when you got this, then you put in the audio here, then mute this audio, and you have crazy effect. It's a bit longer, but this is how you make it. So I hope you have a great day. See ya!